Um, Most respected Pro Vice Chancellor Professor V.M. Perisami, most distinguished alumni and Vice Chairman of MIE College, Mr. Jalal, office bearers of the Alumni Association, members of the Alumni Association, faculty colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. I deem it a great privilege and I am very proud that this moment is a very happy moment for the alumni, because as a person in the teaching faculty for more than 40 years, I think the best part of a student career is the days you spent in the college or in the institution, which will be cherished. The reminiscence of your this thing is one of the most important and vital part of your life. You can cherish this memory, what you have spent in this campus for 4 years. You can cherish with your son, your grandson, your granddaughter. As far as I am concerned, I think this is the best part of the life for a person who studied in higher education. And I think today you have gathered to reminiscent your memories you spent in this campus for 4 years. I came to understand that there are a couple of first batch alumni also present. It gives immense pleasure that they show the love and affection to the alma mater, and I really appreciate and acknowledge on behalf of the university and as a Crescent Engineering College. And at this juncture, it is my pleasant duty to share the very pleasant memories, and what we are is mainly because of Professor Peer Mohammed, who was the first principal of this college, and later he became the correspondent, because I worked for a short period at College of Engineering Gindi, where Professor Peer Mohammed was working as a professor, but I did not have a long time to, but he has done yeoman service to this institute, and I came to know after I joined in this institution about a year before. He is architect for this institute, and also he laid the strong foundation to become an university, and now as a university we have completed 5 years, and as an institute I think this is the 25th year of your alumni association, and I look forward as a registrar that there should be a stronger interaction between alumni and the institute. I feel the alumni should act as a bridge between the institute and the industries, because most of your entrepreneurs are working in very big industries. You can act as a bridge to take your juniors to your company, or as an entrepreneur, as Professor Perisami pointed out. This is one of the very important, that too after globalization, this becomes a very important part, that is the alumni association. I have seen in the Western world as well as US, many of the universities, as Professor pointed out, many of the labs, many of the universities are well supported by alumni. You take MIT campus of Anna University, where Anna University KB Chandrasekharan, he has spent about 5 crores of rupees to establish an interaction between industries and Anna University. And as this is not the only way, there are so many other ways. Even if you come, some of the entrepreneurs who have assembled today, if you can come and talk to our students, present day students, how to become an entrepreneur and what are all the possible ways by which you can become an entrepreneur, that is very good. And also some of you may be working in an university, or some of you may be working in R&D laboratories. You can come and share your knowledge with our students and the latest trends, because the present day students will be knowing only the theoretical knowledge, but as a practicing engineers you can come and share your experience with our students. And alumni association is one which should be vibrant, and since the alumni is the ambassadors, brand ambassadors of any institution, I request all the alumni, please carry on the flag of B.S. Abdur Rahman University or Crescent Engineering College. You must raise the flag of this university in order to bring glory and also laurels to this university. And at this point of time, I congratulate the office bearers of the Alumni Association as well as the large turnout of the Alumni Association for having assembled here. And I request, my only request to the office bearers and the members of the Alumni Association, you must put a vision for 5 years what we are going to do as an alumni member of this university. You must prepare a vision document for this Alumni Association to develop this university or to give impetus to this university, how to make this university in 5 years with your experience and expertise as well as other things you can give it to. You can, some of you may give some input even for developing curriculum and syllabi. And these are, I don't mean money alone. Money is only the last part, but your experience and expertise is very much needed in order to update our curriculum and in order to update our syllabus and also to improve the teaching learning process, which is taking place very rapid changes across the globe. So you can give your input, and also as a feedback, you can always give your feedback to the authorities of the universities. With these few words, I once again thank the organizers for having given me this wonderful opportunity, and I request all of you to cherish your memory, enjoy the day, and this is home away home for many of you. As far as I am concerned, my institution is a home away home, because the best part of the life, that is what I say, the fish nadu கண்ட இருக்கு பாருங்க, அந்த மாதிரி நம்மளுடைய பெஸ்ட் பார்ட் ஆஃப் லைஃப் இஸ் ஒன்லி வாட் வி ஸ்பெண்ட் இன் அண்டர் கிராஜுவேட் எஜுகேஷன். அண்ட் ஸோ ஐ ரிக்வெஸ்ட் யூ டு என்ஜாய் டு த ஃபுல்லஸ்ட் எக்ஸ்டென்ட் பாசிபிள், பட் சைமல்டேனியஸ்லி யூ பிளான் ஃபார் ஃபர்தர் இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் திஸ் யூனிவர்சிட்டி. தேங்க் யூ வெரி மச்.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for